One place has been on my bucket list forever, and I'm finally here. Naples. Want to know why? Tons of golf courses, tons of water, lots of beaches, great restaurants, and tons of billionaires, like the most concentrated billionaires in the country. Two of my favorite windfallers
I feel so Scarlett O'Hara.
asked me to come here. Are you gonna buy a house in Florida?
Will you show me some?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Madison, Wisconsin can get a little chilly. So I'm here to find these snowbird siblings somewhere warmer to perch in the winter.
Come on.
Oh my God!
Let's go see David.
Look who we found.
Oh my gosh.
David.
Again.
I love her. So good to see you guys.
So good to see you again,
Thank
honey.
you.
Look how cute he looks.
Yeah, you get to see all my tattoos.
You have such a Florida vibe going there.
Yeah, be still in my heart.
You're just saying
I'm
that.
silly.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on in, ladies. It is so good to see you guys.
Hello,
too, David.
darling.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome. It's amazing to see you again.
You're house happy, aren't you?
I'm house happy.
Yes.
And why would you
Yeah.
ever want to leave it except to get...
Come on vacation.
Yeah.
Our parents had a place here years and years ago, so we have very fond memories of coming down here at spring break, winter break, bringing my kids.
Yep.
And our aunt and uncle still have their condo down here.
So you're moving closer to family.
Yeah. Well, I'm not moving here, David.
No,
Not moving.
I know that because
Get my vacation home.
Your house is delicious.
That's right.
And kind of epic.
It's my forever lake home.
Yeah. So tell me about this house. Are we going big and beautiful?
You know, it's gonna be manageable. 3 to 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
I want space, like I say, for when my family and friends come down.
Okay.
3 to 4 bathrooms.
Sounding
I'd really like
large.
to have my own pool. But if they don't have a pool, or even in addition to a boat slip somewhere
Little
where I
water
can
action.
have. Oh yeah.
Outdoor space.
Outdoor space.
Outdoor
Outdoor
space.
space.
I think that's kind of a given, right? It's
Oh,
gotta
eating,
be.
grilling,
Yes.
chilling.
How close do we want to be to the beach?
10, 15-minute drive.
Okay, so we're gonna be spending a little bit of money.
Probably 2.2 to 2.4 million.
Oh my gosh!
Woohoo!
Is there any other homes beyond this?
Maybe a dream guest house.
I love that. In Puerto Vallarta. Give me some love.
Good to see you, my dear.
Nice to see you too. Oh my God. You know, Kathy's taste level is very high, and I love that. And this house is the perfect place to start at. Windstar Way, an amazing house. Got a cool feel. It's right on a golf course, in a beautiful golf course community, and we are just shy of $1.9 million. Look at me, under budget. You guys are fitting into Florida perfect.
David, this is the life. You know,
Isn't
right?
this lovely?
I'm just gonna soak it in.
Yeah.
They're becoming our parents.
So let me tell you a little bit about Windstar Way.
Windstar.
3 bedrooms,
Three bedrooms.
3 bathrooms, just over 2,400 square feet, and the price goes for under your budget.
Ooh,
It's just-
I like under budget.
Just shy of 1.9 million. You're welcome, you're welcome. This never happens.
Yep. Like the flowers.
Flowers
Pretty.
are great. Isn't this pretty?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just the one flower for me.
All right, come on in.
Oh, yes. Now, this is really nice. What a great
Double water
vacation
view
home. And there's
and a golf.
And a pool and,
And a
pond.
golf.
Nice. I love the vaulted ceilings. It just makes it look so much airier. It's just so
Yes.
grandiose.
Bright and light.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a bad shot that guy just had. He'd sit here and critique their golf shots.
Great dining area
Oh, that'd be
here.
great.
Very nice. Ooh.
Nice space for the family.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and a nice open kitchen.
Ah, electric cook. Oh, look.
This is nice.
So we have an induction
It's
stove.
induction.
You know,
Yeah,
it's
that's nice.
easy to work with. I know a lot of chefs love it. So it's definitely high end. We have a microwave oven and then an oven underneath, which I love that setup.
I love that. Look at this. That's cool.
All right, let's go see where your guests are
Nice.
gonna stay.
Let's go see. They might fight over the bedrooms, though.
And we'll go right into the guest bathroom, which is so nice, right?
Very, very spacious. Look at that shower.
The shower is huge. Your guests will be very happy in
Huge.
here.
This is the guest.
Yeah. Marco.
Polo.
Here we go. All right, here's the larger of the guest bedrooms.
Oh, yeah, this is a lot
Nice.
bigger. My room.
Yeah.
Mom's room.
Oh.
Bunk beds in any places?
Probably not. Mom would have a hard time getting on the top.
All right, let's go look at the main bedroom.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wow, what
it
a
walks out to the
view.
pool
It
area.
walks out to the pool area.
Dibs. This would be mine.
Why don't you guys check out the bathroom?
all
It's
my-
kind of nice.
Oh, my golf shirt. Look at this view. Might show them the full Monty, though, unless we pull the shades.
This view is insane.
Look at this. This is a shower head on steroids.
You can't get any better than this, David.
Yeah, I absolutely can. I mean, look at this.
You can just feel this.
Oh
This is
my
awesome.
gosh, this
So
is
great, isn't it?
beautiful. David, this outdoor space is insane.
It's so good, right? Oh.
This is the life, David. This is a true vacation, right?
It feels like there's nothing to do in the house except just move in.
That's
you know?
awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We can chill for a little longer, but why don't you guys give me an idea of where you want to go tomorrow? Something bigger?
So, a little bit bigger outdoor space?
Yeah. Listen, if we're going to go bigger, we might as well go bigger.
Might as well.
You guys always want to see these lottery winners spending money. Well, she didn't win the lottery, but she won the lottery of life, and she's spending the money. So you're welcome. Portrush Place is definitely a wonderful contender. A little bit more stately, definitely a lot of curb appeal. It's showy, but it's not like in your face. No, it's in your face. Yeah, sorry. And the price is a doozy at $2.25 million.
Good morning,
Look how
David.
cute you guys are.
Good to see you. I managed to get through 18 holes yesterday.
You did not.
I did. Of course, we're in Florida, golfing capital of the world.
Yep.
Bringing back
This
a
is
lot of
great.
memories.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm excited to see the house.
Want to hear about it?
Tell
Yes.
us.
Portrush Place has 3 bedrooms and 4
Oh,
bathrooms.
good, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Just shy of 3,300 square
Excellent.
feet. And the price is a little heftier at $2.25 million. Let's go, multi-millionaire.
Look. Yep. I feel
Yeah.
my wallet getting lighter, David.
All right. Come on, my darling.
Oh my gosh, David, look at this.
Oh my
Wow. I love these tall ceilings. over
Really
here.
tall.
That's what's nice about
Feels
a
very
ranch.
spacious.
Beautiful fireplace.
It's gorgeous. Love that.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we could come down here for Christmas.
It's very
you
comfortable.
know, and that's the nice thing about a vacation home. It would come
furnished.
furnished, right?
Yeah.
great.
All right, let's head to the kitchen. You guys are so cute.
Love that this is an open floor plan.
It's so nice.
Stainless steel appliances. I love the double oven.
The actual
Double
double.
oven.
Yeah. I would paint everything, all the wood, the same as what we have going on here. It becomes more casual, more beachy, more vacation vibes. Like, I love
I
this.
can live with it, David, because it's turnkey. I don't have to do it.
Darling.
Right?
Absolutely. Let's look at some bedrooms. Both guest bedrooms are huge, with super high ceilings and gorgeous decor.
This could be your room.
Oh, I love
that.
this because I love, again, I love how this is furnished. My room.
And every bedroom comes with its own bathroom, including the primary suite, all nice and private on the other side of the house. We're gonna start with the bathroom.
Holy cow, this is a bathroom.
Yes.
This
Wow.
is really nice. That shower. It's
gorgeous.
Like,
See the shower heads up top?
wow.
Yeah.
It's like a locker room. It's so big.
No, it's a whole
We love locker rooms.
love
right,
locker
ladies?
round. The whole team could shower together.
Woohoo! I don't judge.
Wow.
I encourage.
Nice.
The main bedroom is simply stunning. But I know for a fact that Kathy is going to spend most of her time out here.
This is what it's about. Coming
Yes.
down to Florida.
I love.
This is where I'll live. I don't even need the house.
Love.
I just need the space.
Well, that's the whole point.
Oh, beautiful, David. You nailed it.
Good. All right, so this is one of my favorite spots.
This is so gorgeous.
Right? Do you guys like the property?
Oh my gosh, it's
Love it. This
Good.
outdoor space
wow.
is incredible.
Just look at this.
Tell me where to go tomorrow.
Maybe surprise me. Show me something maybe a little different.
I have the perfect property.
Do you?
I do.
In one
Ooh,
way.
I like
Shall
it.
we? So far, we've looked at amazing homes and gated golfing communities. But Kathy wanted to see something a little different. Capuano Cape is 5 minutes from downtown Naples. What I love about this is that you can fit a boat right on this canal and take it right out to the Gulf. Hi, my darling.
Hey, David.
Hello, good morning.
Good to see you again.
I just love you guys so much.
Oh, you're the best.
As you can see, we're a whole 5 minutes away from downtown Naples.
That's awesome.
Love
Beautiful.
this
I can
area.
smell the water from
Yeah.
here. It looks walking distance to fun things.
It's
Great,
so great.
right?
So
I'm really excited to see this one.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Capuano. It's got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms,
Okay.
2,100 square
2,100.
feet, and it goes for $2,335,000. So it's our most expensive house.
All right.
And again,
Just
you'll
a
see when we get out.
Let's go.
Look at these stairs. It's very grand.
Yes,
right?
Yes,
that's
you
what I
feel like-
said.
Ooh,
You might have to carry me up these stairs, Rhett.
isn't this cute?
This is
This
so
is adorable.
cute.
I love it. Come on in.
Oh, isn't this nice?
Isn't it great?
This is really
This is
kind
so
of
cute.
kick back, easy living kind of feel.
It's chill, right?
There you
And it's
go.
not beige.
It's not beige. Like, it feels cooler in here just because of the wall color. The wall color is a great version of a gray.
Right.
I love it.
Right.
Everything about the middle level just screams family, including the 2 guest bedrooms. And of course, so does the kitchen.
Oh, this is a really nice kitchen.
Right?
Oh, I love this island.
Ooh.
This island is awesome. What is this?
This is quartz.
Very
Manufactured
nice.
quartz,
Very
so
nice.
it's super durable. You can put hot plates on here.
In this house, I can see myself sitting here while Kathy cooks.
I love that version. See, it's a switcheroo.
The kids can sit here and eat.
Yeah, you can tell there's a nice family vibe here, right?
Am I seeing water out there, David?
You're seeing water. Shall we?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, this is really nice. Look at
Oh,
that.
I see why this is so special.
Oh, that's a huge hot tub.
It's huge. It's like a
Holy moly.
17,000 person hot tub.
Oh my gosh.
So there's no pool.
There's
But a big hot
no
tub.
pool, but you can park a boat here. It's deep water canal,
You know, I like
and
boats.
this goes right out to the Gulf,
Oh,
like
that's-
within minutes.
That's huge.
It's huge. Hence the unicorn vibes.
Oh, sure.
Shall we go upstairs?
Yes,
Let's do
please
that. We'll
do.
check out your bedroom.
Yes.
Ready for a sparkle fest?
I can't wait. oh my goodness.
No.
This is definitely more your style than mine.
This is what I'm talking about.
It is gray.
It's great.
Yes.
And
It's
it's
great.
really pretty. I love the peak ceiling. I think that's super cute.
That looks like a glamorous bathroom.
Get it, girl. Get it.
Glamorous.
Yes.
She's doing that.
Yes. Yes.
For the kids, there's a separate entertainment space down in the basement.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Oh, this is fantastic.
Isn't this great?
This is a great
This is a
space.
great space.
We have a bedroom in here. This is where I'd put all the kids as well.
For sure. Wow, this is a big
my
room.
gosh.
Yeah.
This would be great.
huge.
Totally great for the kids.
I would do 2 sets of bunk beds here. For
sure.
You know, for adults and for the kids. But the very best part is outside. Oversized hot tub.
That's a big one.
How do you get in it? Oh, yeah, there's some steps
Wow.
here. But this is where it's all at.
This is beautiful.
The water.
This is amazing that we can get out to the Gulf from here so
Yeah.
quickly.
You would have to buy a boat if you bought this house.
Oh, for sure.
Right?
Oh, for sure.
Twister arm.
It's very nice.
I love that.
Nicely done.
Do you like all the options?
I do. You knocked it out of the park.
Good.
You did a great job, David.
Thank you.
We'll have to think about it. Maybe even talk to the kids.
Yeah, or not. Well, who cares?
On that note,
Well, they'll be staying here.
I think
Like
this-
they'll just have to suffer with either of them, right? Or
I
any of
know.
them.
First world problems. Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
Let's go.
Your life
I
right
love
here.
This.
So beautiful.
Choose one of those boats, David.
They're stunning.
Awesome.
This is where you can smell the money and the delicious food.
Excellent.
This has been so much fun.
Oh my gosh.
These are just
we
the
got
best.
to do this again with you, David.
Again. Worked out, and here we are, buying your second house. Let's start with Windstar Way. I love that neighborhood, and of course that view. Stop it.
Oh, that pool and that water and looking at the fairway.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Right.
And it was nice and bright. The whole house had that beautiful white color, which I know that you love. And I know that was one of the things that you kind of picked a little bit at Portrush Place. That was the one thing you're like, this
Right.
is so beige on beige on beige. But that's
beige.
easy to fix.
I can fix.
That would brighten up that whole house a lot.
Oh my gosh, that outdoor living space. It had like an outdoor living room.
Right.
Several.
Oh my gosh.
Another advantage to Portrush Place is every bedroom had a bathroom.
That is so nice for guests.
It's so
They have
great.
ensuite
It is.
bedrooms.
Yeah, it's
Well,
very
that's so handy.
luxurious. And then you said, let's look at something unique, a little unicorn. Capuano Cape.
It had the nicest curb appeal.
It
I
really
love that
did.
color.
It really did.
It's very beachy.
it.
I really like that lower level too.
I was just
It
gonna
had
say
that
that.
space and that bedroom, and then that
Like
access
locked out.
right outside, and I could fish off the dock. Be able to just get on the boat and head out to the Gulf.
Different kind of golf.
Yeah.
Golf.
Golf.
The boating we could do.
All right, 3 unique options.
Very.
I'm excited to hear where you're gonna go.
Don't you think it's obvious, Dave?
Oh, I think it's obvious.
The one I chose, Portrush Place.
Shocking. The bigger, the better.
It had space, and that outdoor living was amazing.
Yeah.
That's so incredible. And the Gulf, I mean, I'm right there.
How
So-
exciting.
It's just a dream come true. Pinch me. Ouch.
Love it. Give me some love. You guys are so cute.
I ended up choosing this amazing house, Portrush Place, and really it was because of the outdoor living, the open space to die for.
And I got my own room
you did.
and the girly flowers. I love it.
I got the nice wing over there. That's gonna be awesome. And plenty of space for all our family to come. Then we can do some of it in the microwave and some of it on a skittle. They can come when I'm not here. They can come and spend time with us on vacation. I mean, it's just a dream come true for sure.
Yeah.
This is great.
It's exactly what you wanted.
If I buy it, they will come. The pool area and the privacy and the lanai, it's just a dream come true for sure. How's the water, boys? Good. Go in here. Good. Ew. Sam, you ready? Here you go. Woo!
This looks good.
It's just amazing. I love eating outside. On Madison, I have the lake life. Beautiful in the summertime with the boats and whatnot. But down here, gosh, I got the pool life, the golf life. It's just the vacation life.
We got the best of both worlds.
It's amazing. Cheers to a lifetime of memories, and I love all of you. Thanks for coming. Cheers.